I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start now by confirming the car model and safety. Volvo S60, parked with the parking brake engaged. Once done, do not start the engine. Insert the key or press the start button once to reach ignition position Roman 2 so the dash lights activate. Make sure accessories are off and the odometer display is visible. This step powers the maintenance system so you can communicate with it. If the display is showing trip or service menus, keep it there before moving to the reset controls. You now navigate the menus using the left stalk buttons or center cluster controls, depending on year. Once the display shows service or maintenance, press the Confirm button to enter that menu. This tells the car you intend to modify service settings. Next, press and hold the Reset or OK button for about 10 seconds until you see a confirmation prompt or a flashing indicator. This long press triggers the ECU to clear the stored maintenance flag. Make sure you hold steady until the message changes. You finish by confirming the reset when the prompt appears. Select Yes or press OK to accept. Once accepted, the dash should show a cleared status or service OK. Turn the ignition off, wait 5 seconds, then start the engine to verify the maintenance light no longer displays. If the light persists, make sure battery voltage is healthy and repeat the procedure. Low voltage or blown fuses can prevent memory writes. If needed, try a diagnostic scanner to clear persistent codes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.